Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the North Node Rahu, who is acquired the most malefic position in the month of December. Right from the day 1 December 1st, it is in forward motion. From the 10th to 17th, it is in stationary motion, and then again it becomes in forward motion. Total 28 days it is in most venomous condition, and it is said that Rahu controls can affect the weather, it can affect the stock and financial markets. Any surety given at this time can prove detrimental, and marriages, because Rahu is also the karka, upakarka for marriage, so it can spoil the marriages. Any marriages taking place from 1st to 30th, only 2 days there are Rahu is in normal motion. Otherwise 28 days it is in the most venomous condition. Being the upakarka for marriage, it can spoil the marriage. The marriages which take place during this time may not be very healthy ones. So friends, this is what I just wanted to say. North Node Rahu, most venomous in December 2020 for 28 days. North Node Rahu is direct from the 1st December to 9th of December and stationary from the 10th to 17th in the most crucial time to give results of the events. It gains normal motion from 18th to 20th, and then again stationary from most venomous, as mentioned, from the 10th to 17th. It is said that the North Node Rahu in this state, and when eclipses are also there, Rahu has the capacity to turn the tables upside down. Especially when Rahu is stationary, has the capacity to take the stock markets and financial market to heights or in a reversal mode. Actually, if the markets are bullish, it has the capacity to turn them to bearish, or since Rahu is unpredictable, it can even take the markets to new highs. Sun will also change to Sagittarius in a fiery sign, and fiery sign is very important for the markets, stock and financial markets to take a hit. Sun will change to Sagittarius on the 15th December 2020, 21:32 hours. Sagittarius sign is also where the sun stays only for 29 days, and Mahabharata also took place when sun was in Sagittarius. So sun in Sagittarius is also precarious in the present condition until from the 10th to 17th Rahu is going to be stationary. So whatever is happening as far as the farmer crisis is concerned, farmer agitation is concerned, if the problem is not solved, it can take an ugly situation. Look at the chart of the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse, though it is not visible in India, but it is visible in the South America, Argentina, Peru, Brazil, Pacific Ocean, and other countries nearby. They are bound to face trouble because the the luminaries are in Gandalta at 29 degrees in Jyestha Nakshatra and at the junction of the watery and fiery sign. And then there is planetary war between Jupiter and Saturn, and I have written so many articles on Jupiter and Saturn, planetary war, and Jupiter losing in planetary war, and Saturn the planet for justice, and Saturn also signifies the farmers and agriculture industry. And you see, the sign rising is Cancer at the time of the eclipse, and the fourth house is afflicted by Saturn, and fourth lord Venus, on the 14th is with Rahu and Ketu. There are 5 planets in the sign Scorpio, and Scorpio is also the ascendant of Delhi. So that is why Delhi will be influenced the most, whether it is cold weather, whether it is cold breeze, or whatever it is, it will be influenced the most. So friends, this is all. And if you see the Rashi, in the Rashi Samhita Chakra, there is Veda to the 5 planets by Mars, and after the 24th of December, Mars will be activating the eclipse point and also be aspecting the eclipse point. So it is not good. So the government should definitely take immediate steps so that the farmers' agitation is stopped and the no untoward happenings take place, because Rahu is adverse. So I fear that there can be if the government does not take appropriate action at the right time, it can get converted into an ugly situation. So this is all just I wanted to say. The stock markets are booming, but Rahu has the capacity to turn the tables upside down or take the markets to new heights. Rahu is unpredictable, but since Sun is also changing sign to Sagittarius, it is little precarious. I fear the stock and financial markets could take a turn. But it is unpredictable also. It can take it to new heights, but the chances of new heights I think are less, because if there is any untoward happening, then there will be political instability, and then the stock markets can suffer because of that. But it is said that the real thrust on the stock and financial markets is only when there are fiery when planets are in the fiery sign. So Sun will only be in the fiery sign. So even if there is the stock market takes a hit, it will only be for a short while, because after Sun goes in Capricorn, there will be no planet in the fiery sign. So Sun is very important, so that is why I am taking Sun, and especially the sign Sagittarius. It has been observed that whenever the markets have taken a hit, Saturn or Jupiter or Sun, they are in fiery signs. So this is all just I wanted to share. Please please understand, if there anybody wants to marry and the marriages want to marry their sons or daughters, please avoid this period, especially when Rahu is adverse. This is my humble submission, and this is what I just wanted to share. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching me and subscribing my channel, and have a good day.